Let's sit for a few minutes, observing our breath, focusing on the area of the nostrils above the upper lip. Just watching the inhale, the exhale, feeling the sensations of the breath coming in, going out. Relaxed and alert. Feel the touch of the air with your skin above the upper lip or around the nostrils. And if you have some difficulty, you can put your palm in front of your nose and just feel the touch of the air with your palm, with the skin of your palm. And that will help you connect to the sensation of the touch of the breath, to the energy and the flow of your breath. And then again bring your awareness to the area of the nostrils and the upper lip and feel your breath coming in, going out. Once you feel that, you can try to feel it going deeper down to your chest, to your lungs, maybe to your belly. Feel the expansion and the movement as you breathe. And at any time, if you lose focus or thoughts come, just bring your attention gently back to the area of the nostrils, to your breath, to the touch of the air, and stay there for a while. And from here, you can open your eyes gently, and we do the Zong Tien, opening movement. The left hand goes up, the right hand comes down in front of the Dantian, scanning, sensing the field of the body, and bringing the awareness and the Qi down to the Dantian. And let's use our breath to connect to the following movement. Elbows going up. Inhale and let the breath open your arms. And exhale, relax. Inhale and exhale. Try to feel that the breath and the movement are one flow. On the angle view, you can see the movement of the torso and follow it. And also notice the movement of the feet. Heels come up from the ground, and then the toes go up and the heels touch the ground. Inhale finishing, the fingertips connect, and we release the hands and the arms and relax. Putting the chair aside, switching to standing position, and let's swing from side to side, releasing the shoulders and the arms, and naturally breathing. Releasing the pelvis and the torso, letting the movement transfer from the ground up to the shoulders, to the arms. Slowly letting the movement come to an end. Shake a little bit and relax. Let's do the Zong Tien one more time. And from here, let's start the first movement of the sequence that we are learning. Release your arms. Relax your whole body as you do the movement. Inhale and exhale. And pause here, check your position, see that your wrists and fingers are relaxed, and continue. From the angle view, you can watch the knees, how they bend after the pelvis goes backwards, and then the feet push the whole body up to the skies. And you can imagine a string connected to the top of your head, pulling your body forward and then up towards the sky. Slowing down and back to standing position. Second movement. Shifting your weight to the left, and remember that the movement is initiated from the pelvis, tilting the torso to the opposite side. Shifting your weight to the right foot, lifting your left heel, and then back to the other side. And pause here, check your position, holding the chi, and continue when you're ready. The movement gradually becomes bigger and bigger, and we are opening the side of the body, the side of the chest, the rib cage, the lungs. Feel your breath opening together with the movement. Feel the expansion in your body. Expansion, relaxation. Expansion, relaxation. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Coming back with both feet on the ground each time. In the middle, bending your knees. And gradually making the movement smaller. Relaxing even more and more. Awareness and chi settling back in the Zong Tien. And you can watch the third movement one time. Arms going up, fingers connecting, palms connecting, elbows bending and touching the forehead, bouncing and coming back to standing position, releasing the hands. And let's see the third movement from the side. You can do it together with me. Be very gentle with your body, with your lower back, with your neck. The bounce can be very small also. Let's do it one more time. Together. 1, 2, bending the elbows. 3, bounce. 4, and release. 5. And to finish the sequence, we do the Zong Tien one more time. Closing movement. Blowing through the palms. Very nice. Let's go over the second movement. Just some details and focusing on the pelvis, the Zong Tien area. Watch the circle that the Zong Tien is drawing in the space. Half a circle. Watch the foot on the ground, the knee is a little bit bent and the other leg is straight. And then shifting the weight, lifting your right heel from the ground. And now lifting the left heel. And tilting the torso to the side of the empty foot. And let's add the movement of one hand, your right hand, arm. See how the body is leading the movement. The arm is not going in front of the body, but it's following. And only after the center line, just in the middle, here, it leaves the body and continues far away. Releasing your arm and fingers and palm, sending them far away, straightening and then coming back. And let's switch to the other side. Now your left arm. Bend. Keep breathing naturally. The breath and the movement go together. And the two hands now together. One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. And relax. Let's do just the movement of the pelvis and the body. And the arms can hang loose to the sides of the body. Just feel the sensation of doing this just with your pelvis and your torso. Feel how relaxed the arms can be. And settling back in the center, in the Zong Tien. One hand on the chest, the other on the belly. Deep inhale and let a sigh, a sound come out. Ah. Very nice. Thank you for joining me, guys.